Welcome back to Money Academy. If you're looking for a way to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to earn $303.45 a day using Google AI Studio. And the best part is, it's completely free. Yes, you heard that right. With just a little effort and your trusty laptop, you can unlock incredible earning potential. So let's dive in and discover how you can start cashing in immediately. What is Google AI Studio? First, let's talk about Google AI Studio. This powerful platform harnesses the capabilities of artificial intelligence to help you create content, analyze data, and even build applications without needing extensive technical skills. Picture it as your smart assistant that can help tackle various projects, making your workflow much smoother and allowing you to focus on what matters: making money. Getting started with Google AI Studio. Step 1. Sign up for free. To get started, head over to the Google AI Studio website and set up your free account. The registration process is straightforward and quick. Once you're in, you can explore the features and tools at your disposal. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with the features. Google AI Studio is packed with features that can help you boost your income. Here are some key functionalities to take note of. Content generation. Quickly create high-quality articles, social media posts, and marketing materials in various formats. Data analysis. Utilize AI to analyze trends and user behavior, enabling you to make data-driven decisions for your projects. Automated insights. Gain valuable insights automatically, helping you optimize your content and marketing strategies for better results. With these features, you can streamline your tasks and maximize your earnings, all while working smarter, not harder. How to earn $303.45 a day with Google AI Studio. Now, let's break down how you can leverage Google AI Studio to achieve that impressive $303.45 a day income. 1. Freelance content creation. Offer writing services. Use Google AI Studio to produce engaging articles, blog posts, and marketing content for clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are perfect for showcasing your skills. Set your rates. By charging around $150 per article, you only need to complete 2 articles in a day to surpass your daily financial goal. With the help of Google AI, this can be done in just a few hours. 2. Affiliate marketing with quality content. Generate targeted content. Create in-depth product reviews, guides, or comparisons using Google AI Studio. This ensures that your content is engaging and optimized for search engines. Monetize with affiliate links. Integrate affiliate links into your articles. Each successful referral means a commission for you. If you generate a few sales from your content, you can quickly accumulate those dollars. 3. Social media management. Efficient posting. Offer your services as a social media manager. Use Google AI Studio to create and schedule posts across multiple platforms for businesses. Charge monthly fees. Many businesses are willing to pay handsomely for social media management. A few clients at $200 per month can easily add up to your target income, allowing you to work fewer hours. 4. Create and sell ebooks. Write and publish. Use Google AI Studio to help you draft an ebook on a trending topic. Once you have it polished and ready, publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle. Market your ebook. A well-marketed ebook can lead to substantial passive income. With a selling price of around $9.99, selling just 30 copies a day can put you right over that $300 benchmark. Tips for success. To make sure you maximize your earnings and potentially exceed that $303.45 mark, consider these tips. Set clear daily goals. Establish how much you want to earn each day and break it into manageable steps. This makes the goal feel less daunting and easier to achieve. Promote yourself effectively. Build a brand around your services. Create a professional online presence, share your work on social media, and engage with your audience. Keep learning. The online world is always evolving. Stay updated with Google AI Studio features and continue to learn about trends in your niche for ongoing success. And that's a wrap on how to earn $303.45 a day online using Google AI Studio for free. With just a laptop and this powerful tool, you have the potential to make a significant income while working at your own pace. Are you excited to give Google AI Studio a try? I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more fantastic money-making tips from Moneycademy.